almost there.
cry.
And for all those who weren't there, well, I did last night. I was such a pansy. I started crying.
Well, you're a good person and you're sensitive.
Thank you. I'll take that. That's the reason.
There you go.
All right, but we're talking about BLTs, and this is not an ordinary BLT segment.
This is not the BLT that scares my cardiologist.
No, and we're adding a little bit of healthiness, healthy goodness to this, turning a gourmet, a regular BLT into a gourmet sandwich with Anita Barnes from Tastefully Done by Anita. It's good to have you here.
Thank you.
When I knew that you were coming on the show, I got extremely excited because I thought adding the salmon just makes it a hit.
It does.
So, what's your, do you like normally doing things like this where you change traditional foods and give them a little bit of a twist?
Yeah, we do. We like to do something a little bit different, out of the ordinary. So what we did was we took a regular piece of grilled salmon, and before we grilled it, we marinated in a bourbon glaze.
Nice. Okay, so what's that process like? Is that what you're going to do for us today?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. The bourbon glaze, the bourbon glaze consists of brown sugar, a little bit of soy sauce, and some pineapple juice, and some bourbon. I didn't bring any bourbon with me. I didn't want to get in trouble.
That's because you were probably scared we were all going to drink off.
Yes, yes. I didn't want to get in trouble.
I understand.
Okay.
So you just put them in a mixing bowl?
You put it in the mixing bowl, a little bit of pineapple juice.
So really just a dash of soy sauce?
Yes, because I use the low sodium. Everyone's trying to eat healthy nowadays, and I'm a sugar fanatic, so I try to stay away from the sugar. I've lost some weight since I was on the show the last time from eating healthy, so I wanted to do a little bit of something healthy this time.
Well, I appreciate you doing that as well. With all the cooking and all the eating we do on this show, I've been trying to do the same as well and just really kick up the healthier eating habits.
Exactly.
It's hard.
It's very hard.
But when you have recipes that are so delicious that are healthier, it makes it easier. It's all about, I think, making those recipes for yourself that you actually, because healthy food can be just as good as the bad stuff.
Definitely. And even though it has a little bit of a cheat with the bacon, it still makes it good with the salmon because it's high in omega-3 fatty acids.
I like the sound of this. All right, so you'd whip that together?
Yes, you whip that together. And then you probably want to do it the day before. You take a nice fresh piece of salmon that you cut into a small square, and then you just kind of marinate it overnight so that it gets that nice glaze on it. And then the next day you brush your pan with a little bit of olive oil. You lay the salmon on there, let it cook about 8 minutes, 4 minutes on each side, and then you're ready to go.
Now for you, since we're talking about putting in a pan, you would definitely go within the skin off of the salmon.
Yes, definitely with the skin off. And then you can take some lettuce, some regular lettuce, or some mixed greens, and put on there if you really want to go healthy. A lot of people don't like the mixed greens, but I do because I have them on the salad. And then some fresh tomato, and you add a little bit of mayo, or you can do Dijon mustard. Yeah, whatever you like on there. And then you've got your nice bourbon glazed salmon BLT.
Look how good that looks. So now you're talking about, in general, making some healthier dishes, and you brought a couple of other ones with you then.
I did
as well.
You could pair up the sandwich with a nice potato salad. That's a little bit of a cheat because of the mayo, but some people like the healthy with the not healthy. But I like it with a fresh salad, and it has strawberries and mandarin oranges, some apples, mixed greens, and then you could also have for dessert a fruit bowl.
And what is that in a cake cone?
That is a ice cream cone, but it's a bowl, and you just dip it in chocolate, and you fill it full of the fruit. And I have kiwi, blackberries, raspberries, pineapples, oranges, grapes, whatever fruits you like. I like the super fruits because they're healthy for you. And then unfortunately I did down a little bit of the
unfortunately or fortunately, depending on how you're looking at it.
But it does make it good. You don't have to put a lot of the cream cheese whip on there, and so that makes it really good. So you've got a nice light summer meal for yourself.
It looks delicious. Now, you do a lot of catering.
I do.
Are some of these healthy options here part of your catering menu?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Not so much the salmon because that's one of your higher end meals. Some people do pick it, but I also do a tilapia, a lemon pepper tilapia, which goes over really well with the salad. Yeah, and then the baked chicken, a lot of people are going with the fish and chicken options as opposed to your red meats.
Now, did you make a delicious drink for us as well?
I did. It's a cranberry spritzer, and it has cranberry juice, it has lemonade, it has ginger ale, and some of your fresh fruit in there as well.
Well, I might have you pour me a little glass of that to try if that's okay with
Yes,
you.
you can, definitely.
All right, and so then how can people get a hold of you if they want to get your catering?
Well, I have a website, www.tastefullydonebyAnita.com, and there's a link on there that goes to my Facebook page, so you can get me either way.
All right, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you
Healthy
for having
Options
me.
always love salmon involved in any kind of dish. Thanks, Anita.
Definitely. Okay.
All right, David.
Okay, more good stuff for you because